guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you're already subscribed. I make psychology and philosophy inspired videos, kind of like life improvement stuff. I also like to document my pole dancing journey, and also random shit like this, kind of like beauty stuff. Whatever I feel like filming, basically. So in today's video, I'm going to be toning my hair. First of all, I want to apologize for the lighting, because the sun is starting to come in on an angle, so I don't know how this lighting is going to be, but I really want to do this right now, because I don't know, I love doing my hair. So I'm gonna be doing a toner review. I've tried this toner before, and it's one of the more popular ones on YouTube, and it's the Wella T18 toner. I'll insert a clip here of what it looks like, and basically what you need for the toner is, I got 3 of them. Just in case, you never know. My hairs, I have a lot of hair. I don't know if you can tell, but I have a lot of hair. And you need a toner. No, fucking you need like a developer to mix it with, and a bowl and a brush, but I don't have it right now. I might not even use a brush. Usually I just get my hands really dirty. I don't even use gloves because they suck. I don't know. I feel like you can't feel your hair, so you don't know where you're putting it if you have gloves on. So yeah, I'm also going to be using this. I got it on sale, that's why there's a red tag on it. But I'm also gonna be using this afterwards, so I guess in a way, I don't know if it will be a true review in the sense that I'm gonna also be using purple shampoo, but I don't know, I want to get my hair as ashy as I can, so I want to also use a purple shampoo. And then I also got this mask that has purple in it, so I'm also gonna be using that, and so that's also a factor. Yeah, I guess it could be how to get like ashy hair. I don't know. This was the main point of the video, but I might also title it something like that. Side note, I ended up not using the purple shampoo because I ended up showering before I put the toner in, and so I just used regular shampoo, and then I didn't want to shampoo my hair again after I put the toner in because I feel like it would wash away some of the toner. So I didn't use the purple shampoo, so discard me saying I was gonna use it. I didn't use it. I did use the mask though, so yeah, I just wanted to add that little tidbit, and now get back to the video. But yeah, let's just get right into it. One of the first things that you want to do, first I'll take off your jewelry and get a top that you don't care about. You don't care if it gets like purple or whatever, so I'm just gonna be doing that. So as you guys might be able to tell, my hair is pretty, like, for me this is pretty like yellow toned. I haven't used purple shampoo in like 2 washes, and I feel like it's kind of brassy looking, which is why I want to do a toner. I haven't done a toner in a really long time. I know for a fact that my roots are gonna actually lighten from the toner, which I didn't know it actually kind of like lightened your hair permanently, which it actually does. Like, it lightens at least my natural hair, which is my roots. So yeah, we'll see how this goes. I'm just gonna mix it all up and put it all in my hair, and we'll see what it looks like. So the ratio says to do 1 part Wella toner and 2 parts of the developers. So I'm just gonna pour this whole thing in, because I know for sure I'm gonna need 1. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this as a measure of like the parts. So I'm gonna, oh god, it's like a lot of chemicals. Holy fuck, I just got a whiff of that. But I'm gonna put 2 of these bottles in here because I poured the whole thing in, and it's 1:2 ratio. So, oh, you can smell the chemicals. Now I might be using 2, I'm not sure. I'm gonna have to just see as I go along if I'm gonna be needing more. So it starts out as a clear liquid, then it turns purple as you go along. There we go. Hey guys, so I initially wasn't going to wash my hair beforehand because I think I've done it with dry hair before, but now I'm watching all of these YouTube tutorials that are like doing it with like towel dried hair, which is what it says on the instructions. So I think I might go and wash my hair and towel dry it like quickly, even though I already mixed it. I don't know if this is a good idea, but I might do that. Or, I don't know. We'll see. I'll be back. Okay, I am back. It took me like 12 minutes to do this. Yeah, I put a timer on just to see how much time I wasted. So, as you can see, it's already turned purple. Hopefully that won't have an effect on how it turns out in my hair. Fuck, my hair gets so tangly when I shower. It's like, how am I supposed to do this now? Fuck, where am I? I gotta go get my elastics. Okay, here we go. So I have a mirror down here that I'm gonna be looking at. I'm honestly just gonna apply it. I'm just gonna not zoom through. English. Fast forward through part where I'm putting it in. I'm really hoping this didn't fuck it up, but literally my life. Just kidding. Okay, well, I'm just gonna fast forward through this because I'm gonna be putting on music and jamming out, and I ain't Ain't want no copyright thingy. Or you get taken for that. So yeah, I'll see you guys when I've put it all in my hair. Okay, so as you guys can probably tell, I am done putting it in my hair. Can I just say, I remember this happening last time, but use gloves because my skin is pretty itchy now because I didn't use gloves and it's got a bunch of chemicals in it. And yeah, I feel like everywhere it landed on my thighs and stuff. And first of all, it takes self-tanner off. And second of all, yeah, it itches and it's annoying. But yeah, I'm just gonna wait like around 20 minutes now. I think it says half an hour, but I'm gonna wait. Well, actually, yeah, I'm gonna wait half an hour, even though it took a while to put it in. But I think if anything, the only thing it would do if I went overtime is make it like purple toned, but I don't mind that. So yeah, I'll be back. Actually, I'll be back after I wash it out, I think. So I'm gonna wait 30 minutes and then I'm gonna wash it out and then I'm gonna come back on camera and show you guys. Yeah. Hey guys, so it is actually the next day because I tried filming yesterday after I'd got my hair like all like semi-dried and like done, and it was really dark, so I decided that I'd rather just refilm today. And I also filmed a second clip, or like a clip of my hair. I have before and after clips basically. I don't know why my brain doesn't work, but I'll insert before and after pictures here, or like not pictures but videos. So as you can see, there is a significant difference between the two. One is obviously more yellow and brassy tone, whereas as my hair is now, it's more ashy, which is the whole point of a toner. But one thing I did notice is that my roots have turned orange, like orange-ish or brassy toned, which I kind of was prepared for because I've used this toner before and that happened. So, and it eventually went away, and I think I know why, because I was looking online about how to get rid of it, and it's basically use purple shampoo, and I've always used purple shampoo when I've had blonde hair. So I'm assuming after I wash it this next time, it's gonna not be as bad. I'm gonna actually, I think, put purple shampoo on my roots while it's dry and let it sit for a bit before I take a shower next time I shower. So I'm not too concerned about the like ginger orange hair, but be aware of that if you have like the same color roots as I have and you want to do this. Yeah, be aware that might happen, but don't fret because you can probably fix it with purple shampoo. What I do like about my roots being kind of lighter is the fact that it kind of blends better into my hair now, and I'm guessing once I put the purple shampoo in my hair, it'll look better than the dark roots. And just so you guys know, I make a point of having roots. That's kind of like my style. I never ask my hairdresser to like dye my hair all the way up to my roots. I'd rather her blend the highlights into the roots. I kind of like that root look, which makes it so I don't have to get my hair done as often, which I would, if you guys don't mind that look, I'd give, that's a tip to you guys if you don't want to go to the, you know, hairdresser every month. If you prefer going to the hairdresser, I've only ever, since I've been on my own and like paid for my own hairdressing, I only go there for bleaching. Like when I used to have dark hair, I never used to go because I felt like it's like foolproof. If I was just gonna dye my whole hair brown, I just use box dye. But with blonde, you can risk fucking your hair up. This is off topic kind of, but I did kind of experiment a bit when I used to have ombre. Insert a picture here. I used to have ombre, like really sharp ombre, and I ended up having to cut off quite a bit of my hair because I started doing it myself. I started bleaching it myself, and I was impatient and like it was just a whole journey. Let me know if you guys want to know about my journey from brown hair or dark, almost black hair, insert a picture here, to blonde hair. Anyways, all in all, I would say I like this toner. I feel like next time I might try to leave it in even longer because I don't mind even more ashy, even more silver hair. Though I'm not sure if it might be dangerous to leave it in longer. I don't care if it turns slightly violet, so if that's why you shouldn't leave it in longer, I don't mind. Sorry, my boyfriend's playing games. I don't know if you can hear him laughing, but it's so distracting. But yeah, let me know if you guys know. I'll probably just Google it, but if you guys know if it's dangerous to leave a toner in for too long. If it's just gonna turn your hair purple, I don't mind it as much. I don't mind having a purple tint to my hair. I'd rather that than have it be brassy. So yeah. All in all, I really did like this toner. I would suggest you guys try it too. The same brand has obviously a bunch of other different colors. I've heard of T18 might be better if you have really like orangish hair, but if you have fairly light hair, like mine's pretty light, then I've heard T18 is good. Also let me know if you have any experience with leaving it in for longer than I did. I just really wanted to get it out of my hair because my hands were really starting to itch, and like I just felt like I just wanted to get it done. It also was starting to get dark, so I felt pressured because I wanted to film this for you guys. But yeah, other than that, I really like it. You guys saw the results on the videos I showed you guys. Yeah, let me know what kind of stuff you guys want to see on my channel. If you're a subscriber, yes, subscribe if you want, if you are new to my channel. Follow me on social media if you want. My name is Mara Christina at Instagram, and Snapchat, as well as Twitter, even though I don't use Twitter that much. Maybe I should start, I don't know. Have a nice day. Bye.